What's up, it's Alf from Cargo Wash. This is a before and after video with tips and tools mentioned throughout the process. If you see anything you could help me with, let me know. If you see anything that I can help you with, let me know. There's also always some good information in the comments, and I'm always looking and listening. I also can more than likely give some good advice when it comes to these topics. When it comes to our videos, we're always showing all the nicest cars we come across. We're doing detailing first, wraps, tints, and all that kind of stuff. If you want the car's specs, mods to the car, or you just want information about the car, or you want to see it perform performance based, just let us know, because we can do all that with the cars that we have in our possession. When we got to this house, there were 4 cars. I had 3 team members there, so I joined and we all just did 1 car each and then checked over each other. So I washed and waxed this Mercedes. I buff out a scuff that's on the back driver's side. Then on the interior, I completely changed the color of the leather on the seats, on the dash, all the leather that's on the inside of the car that's dirty. By cleaning it, I completely changed the color of it and restored it back to new. Most of the advice in the video is by specific car or by specific situation that you'll come across while detailing cars. And again, we're doing 4 cars with 3 pressure washers. So I'm using a hose right now, but you still want to be cautious of the kind of water that you're using in different spots of the car. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. You either want to make sure that you have your suede cleaner here. If you don't, you want to really judge how much soap and water that you're using on this type of material. It's all about the feeling when dealing with these cars, judging how much chemical you want to use or not use. Make sure that you don't use soap and water, that you're using protectants like ceramic coatings, different waxes, polishers that you're going to use, and how much of it that you're going to use on these different particular cars. This is the scuff I was talking about in the beginning of the video, and that's definitely more than what you need, but once you've been doing cars for a while, you kind of know what you need. If you're in the area, you could contact us or swing by the shop. Or again, our team comes to you whenever, wherever it's convenient for you. I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share these videos. Thank you.